Whether you struggle with colors doing some simple daily tasks or want to learn some basics, this course will take you through every step of the way of how to use colors in your daily life. In this course, we used a new method of learning colors designed only for people with color vision deficiency. This is the world's first colorblind guide to help you or your loved ones overcome color-related problems and tasks. This course will be a great solution for people who are tired of guessing colors of things, or buying a wrong color shirt, wearing not matching socks, and keeping color blindness as a secret. It's for those who want to uncover a new way to approach colors. We can't wait to help you improve many aspects of your life. No more pink shirts, uncooked meals, and unripe fruits, and guessing colors. Start your course today and be free from all these frustrations. This is your chance to refine your daily life and get all the best strategies for taking control of your color choices. Break the limits and stigma. Gain confidence. Unleash your unique vision and enjoy your new self.